The 2025 Kawasaki Ninja H2 is here, and it's nothing short of breathtaking. With its supercharged power plant, cutting-edge technology, and aggressive styling, this machine redefines what a hypersport motorcycle can be. If you're a fan of speed, precision, and jaw-dropping aesthetics, then you'll want to stick around as we dive deep into what makes the 2025 Ninja H2 the ultimate riding experience. Engine and performance. At the heart of the Ninja H2 is its legendary 998cc supercharged inline-4 engine. This engineering marvel delivers mind-blowing acceleration and an insane top speed, making it one of the fastest production motorcycles in the world. Kawasaki has fine-tuned its supercharger system to provide even more efficiency, ensuring that riders get unmatched power delivery across all RPM ranges. Expect over 220 horsepower on tap, giving you the adrenaline rush of a lifetime. Chassis and handling speed means nothing without control, and Kawasaki understands this better than anyone. The 2025 Ninja H2 features a lightweight trellis-framed design for optimal rigidity and agility. The aerodynamic bodywork isn't just for show, it actively enhances stability at high speeds. Paired with premium Kib suspension and a high-performance braking system featuring Brembo-style lemur calipers, the H2 offers precise handling whether you're on the track or the open road. Advanced electronics and rider aids. The 2025 Kawasaki Ninja H2 isn't just a brute force machine, it's packed with cutting-edge electronics to enhance the riding experience. Kawasaki's proprietary IMU, inertial measurement unit, provides real-time data, ensuring features like Kawasaki Traction Control, KTRC, Kawasaki Intelligent ABS, KIBS, and Kawasaki Launch Control, KLCM, work flawlessly. Riders can also take advantage of ride-by-wire throttle and customizable riding modes to tailor performance to their preferences. Aesthetics and technology. The Ninja H2 has always been a head-turner, and the 2025 model takes things to a whole new level. The self-healing paint returns, ensuring minor scratches disappear over time, keeping the bike looking factory fresh. The full LED lighting system enhances visibility and adds to the bike's futuristic appeal. The TFT display with smartphone connectivity allows riders to access important metrics and navigation through Kawasaki's Radiology app. Final thoughts. The 2025 Kawasaki Ninja H2 is a true masterpiece in the world of motorcycles. With its unparalleled power, refined engineering, and top-tier technology, it continues to be the king of the hypersport segment. Whether you're an experienced rider looking for the ultimate thrill or a motorcycle enthusiast who appreciates high-performance machines, the Ninja H2 is a dream bike worth every bit of attention.